Leo, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH. Titingnan natin kung ano yung energies na parating sa inyo ngayong new moon in Cancer. Ayan, na magaganap ngayong July 6, 2024, 6:57 ng umaga Philippine time. So if you are living outside of the Philippines, i-check nyo na lang kung kailan yung eksaktong oras at araw ng new moon sa inyong lugar. Ayan. So if you are into astrology, alam niyo naman ang new moon is about new beginnings, new opportunities, new inspiration. So itong new moon in Cancer is a cardinal sign. So syempre, ang cardinal sign sila yung mga initiator. Sila yung mga pioneering na energies. So maaring meron kang mga bagong sisimulan na projects, no? Or anything that is very close to your heart or something na uh, passion mo, no? So, itong reading na to, mas magre-resonate sa mga Leo rising. So, if you are Leo Sun or Leo Moon, pwede rin namang mag-resonate, no? But, i-check niyo kung, i-check niyo kung Leo rising kayo. Meron tayong information sa description, may link doon kung paano nyo malalaman yung inyong rising sign. So, kasi mas accurate to sa mga rising signs. Okay? So, for you, Leo risings, ang new moon is going to happen in your 12th house. Okay? So, medyo ano to ha? Kind of heavy para sa inyo. Maaring you will experience para yung parang ikaw ay sensitive, emotional, parang mga maliliit na bagay na iiyak ka na agad or parang mabilis kang maasar, ma-frustrate. So pay attention to your emotions kasi syempre ano yan nagbabago, no? Kumbaga, kung masyadong heavy yung emotions mo, i-try mo na i-control para hindi ka makagawa ng mga bagay or makasabi ng mga words na makakasakit sa ibang tao na later on ire-regret mo rin, 'di ba? So, may mga bagay na uh, meron ka ng kailangang harapin sa sarili mo. Ito yung mga iniiwasan mong harapin dahil sa tingin mo, kapag hinarap mo, maasar ka lang. Ewan ko kung ano yun, no? Parang hugasin yan, Oo. Ayaw mong harapin yung hugasin kasi naaasar ka lang. Pero may mga tao na gusto yung naguhugas ng mga dishes. But anyway, parang analogy lang yan na um, kapag hindi mo kasi hinarap yan, hindi naman yan mare-resolve on its own. Like, kailangan mo na talaga siyang i-deal with, no? Oo. So, dito yung mga yung iba sa inyo meron kayong patatawarin. Oo, this can be yourself, sarili mo. Patatawarin mo sa mga past mistakes mo, yung mga bad decisions mo. Maari kasing you will gain more clarity ngayon about the things that you really want in your life. So Venus is also in your 12th house. And Venus is the planet of love, money, abundance. I think meron kang mga self-discovery during this time. Kung ano pa yung passion mo, ano pa talaga yung gusto mong gawin na hindi mo nalalaman or hindi mo ina-explore kasi busy ka sa ibang bagay. Okay? Yeah, lalo na sa career path, no? Yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng may magbabago sa trabaho nyo, sa career ninyo, or yung mga gusto nyong maging direksyon ng career ninyo. Kasi itong new moon in Cancer, marami siyang mga positive aspects sa ibang planets. So, meron siyang positive aspects sa Mars in Taurus, which is in your 10th house, which is the house of your career, your reputation. So, Mars having in Taurus, medyo weak lang yung energy niyan, but kung talagang meron kang passion, gusto mong i-pursue, gagawin mo siya no? Gagawin mo talaga. And I think, yung iba sa inyo, um, meron kayong, can be a new job, new career na sisimulan mo or a responsibility na finally tatanggapin mo na dahil alam mo na kung ano yung magandang maidudulot nito sa'yo. Okay? So, meron din siyang positive aspect sa Saturn. Saturn is in retrograde right now, which is about parang you have to reassess what do you really want to, where do you want to go, no? O kumbaga, ano ba talaga yung direction na gusto mong tahakin? Mm-mm. And with the eighth house here is this is diving deeply, no? Gusto mong lalo mo pang makilala yung sarili mo about your goals, about where you are headed. Kumbaga, kung yung iba sa inyo feeling lost ng mga nakaraan, this is the best time for you to start planning for your next step, especially in your career or in your business. Kasi 8th house is also related sa sa business, investments, ayan. So, maaring ngayon, you will invest in your skill set, no, yung iyong talento, yung mga kakayanan mo, and you will use that, yung skills mo para sa to start your own business. Mm-mm. Let's see what else for Leo. Okay. You have the Six of Swords. O, ayan, moving on ka na. Mm-mm. Kumbaga, yung conflict sa isip mo or conflict mo sa ibang tao, you are finally leaving that situation. Some of you, meron rin kayong travel opportunities dahil sa work, no? So, take advantage of this opportunity kasi dito mo mas makikilala yung sarili mo. Let's say, papadala ka sa ibang lugar, ibang bansa, for training, for seminar, for convention, and doon mo madidiscover sa sarili mo about ano ba talaga yung gusto mo. Masaya ka ba sa trabaho mo? Or meron ka pang gustong i-explore? Alam mo yun, you will have these realizations. So, you also have the moon. Sabi na sa inyo, medyo emotional talaga. You have the Queen of Swords and the Two of Wands. Okay. I think something will be revealed to you ngayong new moon in Cancer. This is something spiritual or deep within you. Ewan ko, ang hirap niya i-explain kasi hindi talaga siya something that is very specific para sa inyo. But I can only say this is something to do with your goals, your dreams, ano yung gusto mong ma-achieve for yourself. At ngayon, you are finally realizing na meron kang kailangang i-let go or parang alisin sa buhay mo anything that is blocking your success, anything that is giving you limitations, no? Anything na pumipigil sa'yo na magawa yung gusto mo. And I feel like someone here is also going to help you. Merong tutulong sa'yo para ma-realize mo kung ano pa yung kakayanan mo. Someone na nag-cheer sa'yo. This can be a romantic partner, a family member, but I think kasama mo siya sa journey mo na yan. May flowers. Ano yung kanta na ni Miley Cyrus na Flowers? I can buy myself flowers. Parang gano'n. It's like you're becoming more independent. Nalalaman mo or nare-realize mo yung halaga mo. Okay? That you deserve better. So, flowers is also about happiness. This is contentment sa buhay. So, ayan yung hahanapin mo ngayon. So, gusto mo na maramdaman mo na you are contented in your situation. Whether this is a relationship or career, or for some of you, most of you, career yan. You also have the book, so which is about knowledge. So, may mga pag-aaralan kayo. This can be research, personal research, training, or yung iba, literal, papasok sa school. You also have the bear. The bear is about protection. So, it's time for you to protect your energies. Huwag mong hayaan na maapektuhan ka ng mga naysayers or mga opinion ng ibang tao. You have to focus on your goals. Dahil once na magpa-apekto ka sa kanila, sa mga sinasabi nila, baka bumalik na naman ulit yung doubts mo sa sarili mo, no? So, you have to focus on your goals, your dreams, and kumbaga, sabihin mo sa sarili mo that you are strong enough to face any challenges. Let's see what else. Look at the bigger picture, full moon in Sagittarius. Yes. So ngayon, before you take action, tinitingnan mo muna kung ano yung issue, ano yung problema, ano yung environment na kinalalagyan mo before you take action. So kumbaga mas lumalawak rin yung iyong pananaw sa buhay. A personal issue reaches resolution. So kung meron kayong mga conflict with someone, may away, misunderstanding, maaayos nyo ang issue na yan. Okay? So that is your reading, Leo. Thank you so much. Bye!